First of all, I want to say thank you, viewers who are watching us. I'm called Issa Roberto Maenja, the head coach of Elman FC. Yeah, it was amazing to us, even me as a coach, because being beaten 2 down at the first half, and then you make a comeback, which was great for us. And all the players were yearning for that. And then the most important thing, that the team spirit, and playing as a team, it was completely very perfect. And all the players were actually motivated, especially after talking to them, that this is what we need, and we can win, we can still win this game. And then that motivation, that trust, and then the confidence that they had to come back, that this is what we need. It was a good thing that we had to have a good comeback, and we were able to win the game 2-3.